moving day. So I am getting ready to start packing because I am leaving Buenos Aires and moving to Brazil. We are gonna go to Florianopolis, Brazil, which is a little island in the southern part of the country. I'm so excited, but my flight leaves in like 4 hours and I need to pack. Too much clothes. What do you guys think? Okay, step one, folded the clothes. Suitcase time. This is where I gotta make sure that everything weighs the right amount in each suitcase, because if I'm over, I have to pay way too much money and I'm not gonna do that. This is my carry-on. Super cute. So I'm gonna get to packing. I have a lot of stuff out here, but you guys don't need to watch this entire process. That would take way too long and be really annoying. So how about this? I'm just gonna snap my fingers and everything's gonna be packed as if that was something that could really happen in the real world, and that would make my life so much easier. But ready? Let's pack it all together. 1, 2, and just like that. If only life were this easy. So I got my little bag packed, my big bag packed, the backpack packed, drone bag. I carry on the plane, but I didn't pack these yet. I wanted to show you guys before I actually pack them. My parents came to visit last week, and if you haven't seen that video of them coming to visit, I'll link it down below. We had so much fun. We went to Iguazu Falls and we went hiking all over. It was amazing. But my wonderful parents brought me mac and cheese from home, and not just any mac and cheese, Annie's white cheddar shell mac and cheese, and I can't find any box mac and cheese anywhere in South America. So my wonderful parents brought me boxes of mac and cheese. I just want to say thank you, Mom and Dad, for bringing me unhealthy treats that I miss from home so bad. And now I'm gonna pack them too. They're saying bye. Bye. Ciao. All right, suitcases. We are on the move with all my shit. Got our passport. We're on the bus. On our way to the airport. It's like 11:30 at night, and we're gonna catch a late night flight. And we'll get there in the morning. Hopefully catch sunrise. Should be good. So we're hanging out in the lounge because our flight is not till 3 in the morning, but at least we're comfortable. Finally boarding. It's a little after 2:30 a.m. What time are we gonna get to Brazil?
5 a.m.
And then sleep, hopefully. Yay, immigration. Waiting for our transfer. We made it. All right, so we made it to Brazil, and this is my new space. You can see I got a big, beautiful room, big comfy bed. It is a little after 6 a.m. I am so ready to pass out. This is gonna be the end of the video. This was just a typical moving day for us. I just wanted to kind of show you what it looked like. So if you like this, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm gonna go pass out. Later.